We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT to show you chicken nuggets. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have one, you can sign up quickly by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main ChatGPT interface. In the chat box, type in your query, something like "show me chicken nuggets." While ChatGPT itself can't display images directly, you can ask it to provide you with a description, recipe, or even suggest where to find pictures of chicken nuggets online. For instance, you can type in, "Can you give me a recipe for chicken nuggets?" or "Where can I find images of chicken nuggets?" ChatGPT will then provide you with text-based information that can guide you to websites or resources where you can find what you're looking for. If you're specifically after pictures, you can open a new tab and search for images on search engines like Google, using the suggestions or descriptions provided by ChatGPT to refine your search. Remember, ChatGPT is a text-based AI, and while it excels at providing information and guidance, it complements image searches by giving context and recommendations. If you're ever stuck or need more detailed guidance, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for more specific information or clarification. With these steps, you can easily navigate using ChatGPT to explore a world of chicken nugget possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.